Surprise, surprise. Guys, I have a gift for you. If you are wonder how you can use your sniper like a rifle, you are going to learn how you can do that in this video.
Enemy team has taken the lead. Your team has taken the lead. Enemy commander killed.
Step 1. Step
Enemy
2, you have to
commander
shoot.
killed.
And
Your
also you
commander
have
was
to
killed.
move away.
You are now the commander.
Shoot and move. 1, 2, and 3. Let's try it again.
Enemy commander killed.
At the same time. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it worked. As you can see. So
Headshot.
so that
Enemy commander killed.
working perfectly.
Revenge. Glorious. Enemy commander killed. Your commander was killed. Champion. Your commander was killed.
So that, guys, worked perfectly. So now you can use your sniper like that if you want to. One, two, and
Enemy
three.
commander killed.
At the same time, guys. At the same time. So I would like to die again. Show you.
Enemy commander killed. Revenge. Enemy commander killed. Your commander was killed. You are now the commander. Headshot. Glorious. Enemy commander killed. Champion. Enemy commander killed. Enemy commander killed. Headshot. One-man army. Enemy commander killed. 1 minute remaining. Enemy commander killed. Headshot. Force of nature. Enemy commander killed. Enemy commander killed. The force of nature. Enemy commander killed. Enemy commander killed. Headshot. Force of nature. 10 seconds remaining. Force of nature. Enemy commander killed. Victory!
You need 3 shots for kill somebody with this experimental weapon without upgraded. So we are going to do a new video with this weapon fully upgraded. See what happened. I would like to say thank you for watching, and hopefully this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.